Do you know what brings people together from all corners of the world? It's the universal love for fried chicken. Yes, you heard it right, this crispy, juicy, golden delicacy has got the world buzzing. Today, we're going to take you on a delicious journey around the world to uncover the secrets of popular fried chicken dishes. You'll be amazed at some of the unknown facts we've uncovered. So, get ready to pack your appetite and join us on this crispy adventure. First, we're heading to the United States, the land of southern fried chicken. Marinated in a blend of spices and buttermilk, this chicken is deep fried to golden perfection. Unknown to many, the dish owes its fame to Scottish immigrants who introduced frying chicken in fat to America. Next stop, South Korea. Korean fried chicken has taken the world by storm. Double fried for that extra crunch and often served with a side of pickled radish, it's a unique blend of flavors. But did you know that the Korean wave of fried chicken only started in the 1970s with the influence of American culture after the Korean War? Off to the spicy streets of India, where fried chicken takes on a whole new level. The famous chicken 65, deep fried, and tossed in a fiery red sauce, is a favorite among many. A fun fact, the 65 in chicken 65, as per one theory, stands for the number of spices used in the original recipe. Now, let's take a flight to Japan, home to karaage, a marinated fried chicken with a light, crisp coating. Here's a tidbit, karaage often uses smaller cuts of chicken, making it a perfect bite-sized snack. And it's not always chicken, fish and tofu can also be prepared in the karaage style. Our journey ends in the sunny Caribbean, in Jamaica, with their spicy jerk fried chicken. Rubbed with jerk spice and fried until crisp, this chicken is a carnival of flavors. Did you know jerk comes from the term charqui, used by the indigenous Taino people to describe the preservation and cooking method? From America to Asia, to the Caribbean, fried chicken truly unites us all. We hope you've enjoyed this gastronomic journey and learned some unknown facts about this world-favorite dish. Stay tuned for more delicious adventures from around the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep your taste buds curious.